So your Netlify site is live, but your domain still looks like a random bunch of letters and numbers. Worse, it's probably not even secure. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix both in minutes. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a Namecheap account. Namecheap is where I buy my domains. No, they are not sponsoring this video. If you're from Namecheap, hit me up in the comments and let's work something out and hook your boy up. Now, I'm going to go and find a domain. Let's go and search it. Spoiler alert, I actually got this domain. So it's not going to be available. And what we'll do next is we'll choose one that's available just to show you an example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the one I like to the cart. Hot tip, add in the free trial for the business email. All right. This is how you get your custom email with your domain. Okay, so in the checkout and we have our domain registration with our domain name. You can choose how many years you want to hold this, but this will increase the price as well. I usually like to hoard domains for a year, auto renew them, and never use them. Now, with domain privacy, that is all enabled and on forever, which is great. We don't need premium DNS. We don't need web hosting because it's at Netlify for free. And we have our pro email here. And I like to auto renew that and just leave it on for the 2-month trial and let that auto renew. So once that's all done, you'll log into your Namecheap account, head to your dashboard. I like to go through the domains list. There you go. Look at all these domains I don't use. And let's find the one I bought. Here you go, manage. Okay, so the key thing here in the domain tab for that domain that you just bought is the Nameservers. This is how you get Netlify and Namecheap to talk to each other. So we're going to change Namecheap basic DNS to custom DNS. And we're going to add 2 more Nameservers because we're going to need 4. And how we get these Nameservers is we're going to have to head over back to Netlify. Okay, so we're back in Netlify. Just to give you an example, this is the site's dashboard. I will go into the site that we had done in the first video here. Now, you may notice that I've changed it to clear and simple example.netlify.app, and that is in the site configuration and change site name. It's just a little bit easier to read rather than having the one that Namecheap gives you, so it'll always just point to that. Now, to get your Nameservers, you have to go to domain management here on the left. You want to add a domain, and you want to add a domain that you already own. Yes, you can buy domains from Netlify, but I like using Namecheap. Now, let's add a domain I already own. Let's add in, the one neil.com. Let's verify. Great news. So you can add your domain, add the domain. Awesome. So we have that there. Now, while it's checking its status, we need to, let's have a look here. Waiting DNS. Let's have a look. So when you go to the DNS panel, you will find your Nameservers. You may need to go through some steps to add in that domain, but in that last step, you will find the Nameservers. So these are the Nameservers here that you will add. And then we'll go to the domain and add those ones in here. So let's have a look there. Yep. Okay. So let's just add these in properly as an example. DNS 2, 3, too much. 3 and 4. Okay, and don't forget to click that save button. and wait for those changes. That's good. Okay, so we're going to go to Netlify. That's it there. So we're going to look for the SSL certificate and how we can activate that. So let's have a look here. Let's go to, oh, not there, DNS settings. Let's see if we can go back. Okay, domain management. Oh, here we go. So if we head back, it's still checking the status. It's waiting for everything in the back end to propagate. And what you're going to do here under the SSL TLS certificate, we're going to just verify the DNS configuration. Okay, so that looks like it's pretty much it, where I just press that. Sometimes it will take longer. Let's have a look here. So if we go with createwithneil.com, it's still awaiting the Netlify DNS, but let's have a look. If I go to createwithneil.com, we have our website. And that is how you get it done with a nice professional domain. I hope you enjoyed this video where we set up your professional domain using Netlify and Namecheap. You're going to want to stick around for the next one where we hook up your email to the website that we just set up. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.